Hey everybody. So this is another, what should I call these? Reissues? I don't know. This is another one I did. Actually, I think this is my very first lesson video I ever did. But back on the potato I was using for a camera. So I figure I'm going to do, like I said when I did Fly Away, I'm going to do a few of these, few of the old songs. And get them better angle, better quality, so you guys can see what's going on. So, will the circle be unbroken? So let's just do the melody line. Second string, 1, 2, and then full strum. Open. So I do basically pull off 2, 1 open, and then end up back on 2. Then 1 open, G. Back to your D with your second. Repeat that first part of the first line. So 1, 2 on the second, full strum, and then 2 to 4 slide. Back to 2. Then you do 2 to 4 again. I'm losing myself here. And then open D into the A. 1, 2, full open. So that's the way I did it back in the first video. I have changed it because now, instead of going to the high G, I go to the low G. So let's just go through that quick. Everything stays the same except we change to G. So basically, low G, and you're bridged, so you're high string is open, right? But you're gonna lay that down. So you're gonna do 3, 1, 1. Back to the bridge, open. That's it. That's the whole song. And like I said in All Fly Away, if you take that all and do single notes, you can and bring your picking closer to your bridge. When you're playing with other instruments, you really cut through. All the same notes. And then that claw hammer thing that I did a few videos ago. It works for this song. It works very well. is I'm developing a buzz somewhere when I do that. I'm going to have to take a look at that. That's it. Will the circle be unbroken? Have fun. Practice patience. We'll see you guys next time.